Alright, so we're working on the multimedia webpage, and for this, what we're going to be doing is just kind of filling in the blanks spaces on the downloadable file. So I'm just going to download that, right, and then I'm going to go open that. I'm on a Mac, so it's a little bit different. So I'm going to say open with text edit, and you'd be opening, right-clicking, and opening with Notepad if you're on a PC. So first thing I look at, doc type HTML, everything's set up, body HTML, body, head. My title's already there, HTML multimedia example, so I know it'll open. And in here I have a comment. I have two comments. Use your following resources to fill in the below web page. So I have all these elements that I need to put into the web page. And then I have another comment. This is a JavaScript comment. Make sure to preview the page before submitting. All right. So let's start putting in this stuff here. So look in my body, HTML header one, I have a multimedia example. Header two, I have a video. So subhead is the video, headline is the HTML, H1. And then I have video width 400, 300, and controls. So this is my video tag. So it has my controls on it, and it has a height and a width. And alright, so let's look here. So then it says source type video. So the video source, we have to place that in. So I'm going to look for an MP4 tag. So I'm going to go video MP4. I see it right here. I'm going to control X that, or I'm going to cut it. So I'm going to cut that, and I'm going to go down here and I'm going to paste that in. So I just hit Control V to paste that in there. So I have my video 4 tag. So the way that this works is it'll open this video MP4 file first, and then if that doesn't work, then it opens this OGG. So I see movie OGG. So I'm going to cut that and paste that in, video OGG. And then it says a comment. So comments are for the coder. So this comment's for me. Your quote unquote does not support text does not need to be a paragraph tag. It can be loose within the video and audio tags. The video track text below is just an example of text. Alright, so I need to put in a does not support tag here. So let me see. Your browser does not support audio, your browser does not support video. So I'm going to cut that out, and I'm going to place that right here. So it's just loose within my video tag. So my video tag starts here, my video tag ends here, and this is what it's saying. It doesn't need to have a paragraph tag before it like this. I don't need that, so I'm going to delete that and just have it loose in there. And then it says the video track below is just an example of text. So this right here, example subtitle.vtt, it's just an example of what it would look like. But we don't actually have closed caption track. So I just want you to be aware that the tag looks like track, kind, subtitles, and then it tells you what type of subtitles they are for the label. And then it has the VTT, which makes you know that it's a video text track, I think, or something like that, for subtitles. All right, so let's look at our audio. So we have an H2, we have audio controls. Next thing we want to look for is MPEG, audio MPEG. So we don't actually have an audio MPEG. MPEG is more of a video type thing, so we want to use this MP3 here. So I'm going to cut that MP3, and that goes right in here. Alright, so I placed in my MP3, and audio OGG, we're going to find our OGG file. Well, that's weird. I know I saved it in here. Let me go back to Chrome. Alright, so I'm gonna download this file real quick, because for some reason I had an older version. So let's see here. Open with. So what I want to do is I want to grab this OGG file for the horse sound. Um, so I'm going to place that into the second audio source right here. So source horse.ogg goes there. Close my, oh, I'm not going to close my audio tag. I need to have my browser does not support. So I'm going to put that in there. Browser does not support audio. And then I have my Google map. So what I want you to be aware of in the Google map is this iframe. So we use iframes for snippets like HTML snippet text, like what I'm going to put in here. We use it for video, we use it for audio. It used to be used for shockwave and flash, but we don't use it for that anymore. But we just definitely need to have the source always for all these attributes. For all these tags, we always have a SRC attribute. If you notice, SRC, 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 and this one's iframe SRC. So frame border 0, style, allow full screen. So we're placing the whole web page inside this iframe. Alright, so my iframe is going to be this right here. It's Google Maps. So I'm going to click Control X, and put that into our source. And so, oh, sorry. So that's my iframe. And then for this one, I'm going to do again the object snippet. My object snippet, I'm going to paste in here. Object, the data is going to be this web page, height 200, object, and that's it. So let's save this file. Save. I used all my different elements, my different tags, and I'm gonna title this .html. I do it differently than you would on a PC. You could just save it as .html on a PC, but on the Mac I have to save it like this and then change it later. Let's say open with, see what it looks like. So here's my multimedia example. My bear works. My audio works. Google Map works. And I have another frame right here. My Miami, Milwaukee works. Alright, and that's it. So I hope this video was helpful.